If you want to bypass the forgotten screen lock on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you can perform factory reset by going to recovery mode. Unfortunately, by doing so, you will of course erase all data that you have on your phone. So unless you have a backup, you will lose everything that you have on this phone. But if you decide to do so, to continue and actually erase the data with the recovery mode, then first we're going to use the power button and volume up button to open the power menu. And we need to restart our phone. So we're going to slide up in here. And once you restart, you want to press and hold volume down. And now, just keep holding volume down all the time until you go to the recovery mode. Even if you see the OPPO logo, you still want to keep holding volume down. And soon we should have the language selection for the recovery mode. So let's see. There we go. Now in here we can tap on English, and then we have the format data option, so we can tap on it as well. We have this code that we need to enter in here, and once you do so, you can factory reset your phone, and hopefully you will get the access back. And in case you go back to the recovery menu over here, the main menu over here, you can tap on reboot the device and confirm your choice. Leave a like and subscribe.